How to use the Interlibrary Loan Service. Can't find the information you want in NOAA Central Library's collection? Use our Interlibrary Loan Service. ILL, as it's also known, provides NOAA employees and contractors served by the NOAA Central Library in Silver Spring, Maryland, with resources from libraries outside of NOAA. There are two ways to request an ILL, and the method that is easiest for you depends on how many items you are requesting. Both methods are available at this website. If you have 1 to 3 requests, you can submit your request by form. For each item, include the citation or simply a DOI. Then, click this box to confirm which email address should be used when we send the articles. It must be a NOAA email address. Let us know when you need the material. For physical items, like books, it will take at least 2 weeks to receive an item from another library by mail. Also, provide us with your location. Physical items can only be picked up at the library in Silver Spring. This means that if you are not able to pick up a book, we can instead request up to 3 scanned PDF chapters for you to keep. Last, select your line office and click Submit. If you have more than 3 items you would like to request, email the list of citations or DOIs to interlibrary.loan@noaa.gov. Include your deadline and office location. Most digitized requests are received within 24 hours, but it may take up to 5 business days for us to fulfill your request. And that's it. Our ILL team makes sure that you have the information you need. If you have any questions, please email us at interlibrary.loan@noaa.gov.